Hi all, I am Bhanupriya. So I would first take this opportunity to thank, Prakash sir and the academy for helping me clear my CIMA exams. I would 100% over to the academy only. Even before joining, I had my doubts whether I should pursue with CIMA or not because I just delivered a baby and I had a 6 months old baby when I did my CIMA. So I had my doubts, and even before joining, I had spoken with Prakash sir asking, will I be able to complete it, how the course would be. You can get a lot of feedback or material online as to how the exams are, kind of exam it is. But it was Saraf sir who encouraged me and who told me that, all you have to do is focus, every day 2 hours. That's all you need to give me. And I guarantee you that, we will clear it. He keeps up his promise. So yes, I did clear it in the first attempt itself. Thanks to that, and in fact, after joining also, I had my own doubts about, I wasn't able to contribute so much time to the studies because of the baby and, the work juggling. And every time I had my doubts, Saraf sir helped me clarify all these conceptual doubts that I might have. Apart from that, he was even motivating me personally as well as to, I will be able to do it, and just focusing and, all the positive words that he kept giving me, that it helped me as well. So thanks to that, sir. Thank you so much for all the support that you have provided me. And in terms of, how CIMA has helped me and, why I chose CIMA. And now I realize, the entire course, most of you might know that it's case study based exam. The CIMA training itself, it trains you to think strategically and, allowing us to see beyond, our finance and accounting processes that we are usually confined within. We might be leaders in our own, businesses that we take care of, but mostly we get shadowed by, our own process and just the accounting terminologies. But then when you do CIMA, you get to see a broader perspective of things, and, that helps you to go beyond and above. In fact, during the course, with the help of, Prakash sir, usually, in CIMA, they will give you a particular industry, and then, around that is what the exam would be. So though I've been doing, financial processing and analysis, reporting and analysis for over 16 years, the type of industry analysis that Prakash sir did for the industry that we got, that's when I started understanding, okay, this is how you're supposed to see an industry in different lenses. So I learned real-time industry analysis when, Saraf sir did show us how exactly you interpret the industry and how to read it. And so it was a good way for me to understand industry analysis with the various scenarios and, they prepare us to understand the market dynamics of the industry itself. So now what is happening is, you go through this cycle for, 2 to 3 months, you're into the preparation, and it becomes a habit eventually. That is what is happening to me now. So now I'm able to apply my, CIMA lens and assess the industry that I work in, the oil industry. And now I'm able to understand and comprehend the reason behind some of the strategic decisions that my company is making. So, and I'm now able to contribute in a more meaningful way to my organization as well. So in the meetings that we have now, my contributions now reflect a business owner's mindset. Instead of, earlier probably I would have contributed as an employee, but now the way, I see things and my inputs are sounding more around, being like a business owner itself. And that is not gone unnoticed by my, the higher ups that I work for. So this shift in the perspective itself came because of the CIMA course and the support that I got from Saraf Academy on how to approach this exam and how to prepare myself for it. So yes, I think again take this opportunity to thank sir. That's all I can do. So I owe it to him completely. Even just the day before the exam as well, I had my own doubts as to will I be able to complete it on time. I'm quite an anxious person. And as Sachin told, even I have taken my exams. I had a huge gap between my studies. It's been like 10 plus years since I completed my degrees and stuff. So after that, again, studying was difficult for me. But then because of Saraf sir, I was able to keep up on track, and then I was able to clear it. Thank you so much, sir, again. So thanks to the team as well. They've been guiding as well in terms of, getting onboarded with the CIMA Institute and for registration and stuff. So thank you, team as well.